warnings and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.
Well, consider this a belated Happy Halloween to everybody. And hopefully you all enjoy going back to Mariah Carey season. I think she's finished defrosting. So, yeah. Hopefully you like Mariah Carey, because it's her time again. And it's time for me to sign off for this video. So, catch you on the next one.